Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix error establishing database connection. It's because of the database misconfiguration in your database. So you have to recheck the database, and so we'll start. I will show you how to fix this. This is the error. See, error establishing database connection. So in this case you have to go your cPanel. I'll go to my cPanel and let's go to file manager, and now you have to go public underscore HTML, public HTML file, and go to wp config file, wp config. Okay, now you have to check, you have to make confirm the name, username, database name, and password, and host name. Okay, so we'll go to my database, SQL database, and we'll check the name database name. My database here. You can check you have to check each database name and username and password. Okay, so I will go here to recheck my database name. Database name, one. So the username is incorrect here. Okay, so I'll go to confirm the username. See, this is my username, because the problem here, the username is incorrect. Okay, I will copy the actual username. This is the real username. Maybe sometime it will by mistake, will type by mistake. If you try to move your site one hosting to other hosting, or you install FTP client, sometime it will like that, and the trouble it will appear if you try to do some the manual installation of WordPress. Okay, so I just make confirm this is the username and password. Now everything is okay, so I have to save. Now everything, just make confirm the username and password, and check the username. I will just write here check my SQL database username and password, database name, database name. So you have to check this, and host name. Sometime it will maybe you have to host name. You have to provide the proper host name, and so we'll go. So I'm done with this. I'll click save changes, then I'll refresh the window. So now it's working now. Okay, so that's it. This is simple. Okay, now it's working. If you make any troubles in the WP config file, this is the main misconfiguration of WP config. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.